I have been asked to wrap up the presentations and discussions that we have had during this wonderful 3 days. But we received so much information, such rich concepts, so many different experiences were seen that a synthesis would only be impossible. It would be also disrespectful from my side. As it has been shown here over the days that we spent together, diversity is about richness, deepness, detail. Regulators usually say that the devil is on the details. But I would rather say that in life and in nature is God who is in the details. The magnificence of this planet and its ecosystem is shown in each and every grain of soil, in every flower, every seed, each butterfly. That is why we are fans of diversity. We are crazy about the beauty of all the lives that surround us and sustain us. There are so many languages, so many dances, so many songs, so many birds, so many foods, so many seeds. Why not spend our life defending that richness, the only real heritage that we can leave to the next generations? And there's so much to learn, so much to discover, so much to share. We have to learn how to read the landscape that talks to us, as the rabbit does, as the red-chested robin standing on a bare autumn acacia branch, looking for signs from nature that for him are as clear as neon billboards, and we don't even know how to understand. The wind moves softly and sways the treetops. The robin just moves further down the branch and lets his feathers shuffle in the morning air. Are we here? Are we part of this? Oops. Our brain, resulting from neural connections and electrical impulses, travels far from here, to our jobs and occupations, problems and ambitions, troubling all of us. But we are in the present. That is the only reality. And the birds take it for granted. They live permanently in the present. Suddenly, a big eucalyptus branch falls crashing and ends with resounding noise in the yellow leaves on the floor. Everything becomes silent. Everything is in complete attention. Everything seems to be in its right place. Precisely here, the smell of the forest, the creeping leaves, the sunlight creating clear patches between the bushes, a silent moment, a timeless moment, breathing. Red skin, dark skin, white skin, seed and stamen, and all their names lives that live. We are all here. We are all one. We belong to this. We are being run through by life. We are all part of this sacred web. Trembling, we recognize the fact that we are part of this immense organism. We are part of the flow. In a dance we don't quite understand, but we can feel it, because it's happening right now, in my heart pounding, in your heart pounding, your blood washing and nourishing your cells, like the sap on the trees, the rivers coming down from the mountains, the winds on the planet, all together, being in the cathedral of nature, vibrating, full of wonders.